So we're at the Antec booth. What's going on?
Hey, how are you doing?
So what are you showing for this? I want to call it GSL, but is it how do you pronounce it? GESL?
GESL.
Or GSL?
I think it's GESL.
GESL.
Yeah.
Okay.
Goodbye, Explorers.
Either way, it's a pretty fun event. We've had a lot of people. It's been pretty fun so far. And it's been pretty exciting to talk to people how to pick keys.
So
I've been asking us a lot of questions.
yeah, so what all do you have here? Come on,
Okay,
and
so basically,
take me through it.
Let's take a little walk here. So we have our Antec 1 case. Basically, it's a low-cost case with a lot of features. It comes with a 120mm fan on top. You have a side port for another optional 120mm fan and another 120mm fan on the back. Comes with two USB 3.0 ports, which is a nice feature for a low-cost case like this. Next, we have our 620 and 920 coolers. Very nice for people choosing to move over from air cooling to liquid cooling. The 620 is a very low-cost, affordable type liquid cooler. If you want something with a little bit more kick to it and controllability, you would try to go with our 920. Our 920 has basically a custom software that you can use to utilize to control the fan speed. So if you're one of those people that like to overclock a lot, we have extreme setting to have it set on high. Or if you want real quiet operation, it has a low setting to silent setting. So depending on if you're enthusiast or a high overclocker, we have two products to fit your needs.
Dolby Live Drive.
So right here we have our 1200 power supply high ICP. This is one of our top of the line models. So if you're looking to do SLI, quad, or whatnot, this will definitely be one of the power supplies you might want to look into. Here we have our HCG 620M. It's a hybrid design modular power supply for those people that are not looking to go fully modular. What's good about this is you have a steady line connection through your 24-pin and your 8-pin EPS connection. And if you want to do some more cable management, you can have the option to choose if you want to plug in more hard drives, more plugs for your GPU and stuff like that. So definitely check that out. If you come in here, featuring our P280 case with an 1100 side panel. This is basically more streamlined for people who want to go with a stealth type case, but also want that extravagant feel. So right here, normally this case can house 7 fans. With the added side panel, you can have 9 fans total. So if you kind of look inside, we're sporting a Gigabyte G1 Sniper 3. We're running at a 4.5 with a GTX 680, and you can't really hear it right now, but these fans are pretty quiet, even though you're right next to them, and they're running on high. So I mean, even though we're in an open area, if this was in your home or something like that, it wouldn't be as overpowered as you think, so definitely check this out. Also, we're featuring our first ever fully modular HCP 1000 Platinum. It's 80 plus Platinum. It's fully modular. Like I said, so if you're looking for cable management wise, decent power wattage, this is definitely one of the power supplies to go with.
So are all these out on the street right now? Is everything available right now?
Yes, everything is currently available right now. The green LEDs are a little bit harder to find because people, love the LEDs. But if you can find them, definitely, call us to order some, and we can definitely set that up.
Cool. Well, we know Antec is an old friend, and we always like seeing their stuff. So it's always good to see what's out next. And 1,200 watts on the power supply, though? I'm not sure about that.
Yeah, 1,200. I mean, you got power supplies that are higher than that, but 1,200 watts is a very decent power supply, especially if you're going SLI or quad SLI. Depending on what you're doing, crossfire. You need that high wattage to keep your system stable. So definitely, it's a modest size, but it's still nice.
All right. Well, thanks again for the time.
No problem. Anytime.